we've got an extremely desirable 1968 Mustang fastback, 390 performance motor in there. This thing's built from the ground up. Here's some of the receipts that go along with it, along with a photo album showing the car taken completely down to a shell. This will be part of the car, whoever purchases it. So anyway, yeah, completely redone, bottom up, good muscle car. These cars are bringing 25, 30 grand just for a shell. Then you have to build it from there. So we got a great deal here. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the prices on every one of our cars, along with a monthly finance option. It makes it real easy for you. And there's photos top to bottom and descriptions of every car at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So underneath, it's all metal. They put some new floor pans in. They did a great job. There's no rust, all nice, clean metal. The front suspension, steering, completely rebuilt, replaced. Even the power steering, control valve, all the ball joint springs. I'm pretty sure it has gas shocks. It looks like it did. Rear suspension, same thing. Springs, shocks, bushings. Has custom sway bars front and back. Great sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system, which you'll hear towards the end of the video. Disc brakes in front. Brake system's been rebuilt. Yeah, that is disc. So that's all redone. They have some pretty substantial frame connectors welded in, ties the front to the back. That keeps performance cars from twisting and flexing. They handle much better. So that's been done to it. Fuel system was replaced. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. It's the heavy-duty C6 automatic trans. That was rebuilt. It's a Ford 9-inch rear end that's been rebuilt. It has Mosier 31 spline axles and has a 350 posi unit in the rear end. Now the body. Yeah, let's talk about the body. It's been completely restored. It's all documented in the pictures. There's no rust. The roof is nice and straight. All this looks really good. All clean. It's all metal. Lines up real nice and square. Does have a hood scoop. I believe it's functional. We'll look underneath when we open it. Here's a little star from the bottom side up. I think he said he left a socket laying there when he closed the hood. So it looks like a little spider web. There's a chip in the paint here. But the metal is straight. That's what I'm looking at now. Lines up square. No rust, no damage. Absolutely straight looking down the sides. Fender lines up nice. It's all metal. Roof has no issues. Door lines up sweet. All nice, clean, all metal, no rust, no damage, no dents, no waves. Yeah, really nice body. They did a great job with that. And it's been done a while. You don't know when you get a brand new paint job, you don't know what it's going to look like in a year. This thing's held up really well. This side's just as good. The paint, it's a really nice metallic blue. It's one color all around. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's polished smooth and glossy. But again, it's been done a while. Here's a scratch right here on top. It has the white over the top Shelby stripes. I think that's clever, over the top. Looks like original markers. Got a little bit of age on the chrome there. The louvers look great. Door handle's been replaced. The rain gutter's real nice. The mirror has been replaced. Trimmer on the windshield, I'm sure, was replaced. The windshield's crystal clear. Has the Shelby stripes down the side as well. Has the Torque Thrust D wheels, 15-inch, fatter, meatier tire in back. Give it that muscle car aggressive look. The front bumper is real nice. They took the emblem out of the grille, give it a nice clean look. I mentioned there's that chip right here, and there's a scratch right across here. The paint has a little texture in places where they could have wet sanded a little more. That's if you're real finicky. But overall, it's looking really sharp. Look at the tough stance on that thing. Let's open it up. I'll give you a tour inside. Just notice there's a Shelby gas cap on the back too, a pop-up gas cap. So under the trunk lid, painted sharp, trunk jamb is painted. Actually, the whole compartment, you can see, is all painted blue. It's all solid metal. The mat's been replaced. It has the optional fold-down rear seat, which means it also has this trap door that opens up. I always say, in case you want to bring your snow skis and go skiing, or bring 2x4s to a construction project, you can do that. Yeah, this thing's got a tough look. And big tires, staggered size tires. So door jambs are painted nice, weather strips are replaced, door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles, that looks like it's been replaced. All the bezels, the chrome, the wood grain, that's all been replaced. Has an old style hot rod Sun Pro tack on the column. Does have a Pioneer stereo system. The metal's repainted. Dash pad's real nice. It's a factory air car. Kick panel speakers. Carpet looks new. Shifter's real nice. I gotta mention the steering wheel. The receipt was $500 and something for this steering wheel. It's a Shelby style wheel. The seats were rebuilt with new cushions and then reupholstered. It has the G-Force racing harness to hold you in place when you're whipping around them tight curves. Now it's got a Shelby style roll bar. It doesn't interfere with the back seat at all. And then we got the fold down 2+2 they call it. There's 2 passenger, now plus 2 more. The lights work, the trim is all real nice. Headliner been replaced, the visors, the mirror, all of it looks really good. Got a remote for the stereo in the glove box. Our shop serviced the car. I just looked. We spent $1,000, fixed the gas gauge, fixed the reverse light, replaced the window regulator, a couple other miscellaneous things. So this is a performance-built 390 motor. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake with a dual-feed Holley carburetor. It has an electric choke. While we're here, we'll notice the Cobra valve covers and air cleaner. It looks really sharp. You can see the firewall, the heater control valve, the hinges, everything's nice and clean. Regulator, battery cables. They put Ford reproduction hoses and clamps. The alternator looks new. Got an MSD ignition system. It's a 3-core high-efficiency radiator. Clutch fan looks new. We got the shroud. We got horns. It's a factory air car, but it has some upgraded parts. The compressor. We got power steering down there. Power brakes there. Boy, stuff's a tight fit there, let me tell you. And yes, the hood is cut out, so the air, fresh air, is pushed in there. But this is a really nice motor compartment. And you got a performance motor, you got air, you got steering, you got brakes. It's got all sorts of goodies under here. It is cold, we just started it. So it's idling high till it warms up like it's supposed to. It's about 10 degrees right now. So let me tell you folks, this is a really nice car with a lot to offer. Again, just this body style. People want these bodies to build Eleanors and build custom cars. You'll be lucky to find just a shell for 25, 30 grand. This thing's got the whole package. It's a little bit of an older restoration. I don't think there's many miles on it, and it's still a really, really nice car. Doors shut beautifully. I shut the other side, and I barely pushed it, and I thought I was going to have to go push it some more, and it clicked right shut. So there you have it. Great car. I could ask more. I should ask more for it, but I'm not. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer some questions for you. They can get this delivered to your door. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. Subscribe and then click on that bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.